In this video, I'll show you how to add a user to Postscript in under 5 minutes. Perfect if you're bringing a team member on board or delegating work. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Postscript website. Log in using your Shopify store connection or your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on your store name. This will take you into your store settings. From there, open the drop-down menu and select Users. On the Users page, head to the top right corner and click Add User. A pop-up window will appear asking for the new user's email address. Enter the correct email, since this is where the invitation will be sent. Next, choose the user's access level. If they need full control, including managing other users, enable admin access. If not, leave admin unchecked to limit permissions. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The user will receive an email invite, and once they accept, they'll have access to your Postscript account. Simple, quick, and done.